Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. If you're in tech today, you've felt it. That tremor beneath your feet, that low hum in the background that's growing louder by the day. It's the AI tsunami, and it's reshaping our world, our industry, and yes, our careers at an unprecedented speed. Are you feeling that quiet anxiety? The worry that what you know today might not be enough tomorrow? Are you asking yourself, will AI replace my job? Am I doing enough to keep up? If those thoughts have crossed your mind, let me tell you, you are not alone, and your concerns are valid. This isn't about fear-mongering, it's about acknowledging a powerful shift that requires a powerful response. Just a few years ago, AI felt like a distant sci-fi concept. Now it's integrated into our tools, our workflows, and even our daily conversations. ChatGPT, GitHub Copilot, Midjourney. These aren't just fascinating new toys, they are fundamentally changing how software is built, how designs are created, how data is analyzed, and even how customer interactions happen. The statistics are telling. Many reports indicate that a significant percentage of professionals anticipate AI will impact or even replace parts of their roles within the next few years. For new graduates, some entry-level hiring in tech has even seen declines as AI handles more foundational tasks. This isn't to scare you, but to set the stage. The era of business as usual is over. The real problem isn't that AI exists, it's the feeling of helplessness, the panic, the overwhelming sense that you're just a small boat in a giant storm. This panic often leads to one of two things. One, paralysis. You're so overwhelmed by the sheer volume of new information that you do nothing, hoping it will pass. It won't. Two, scattered learning. You try to learn everything at once. A new AI model, a new framework, a new language, without a clear strategy, leading to burnout and frustration. Neither of these approaches will help you future-proof your tech career. The good news? You don't need to outrun the tsunami. You need to learn how to surf it. And that's exactly what we're going to talk about today. This isn't a death knell for human talent. It's a redefinition. AI isn't here to eliminate humans. It's here to amplify human potential. The best developers, the most impactful engineers, and the most sought-after tech leaders in the AI era won't be those who ignore AI or who try to compete with it purely on speed or data. They will be those who partner with intelligent systems and master uniquely human skills. This is your opportunity to elevate your work, to automate the mundane, and to focus on the truly strategic, creative, and human-centric aspects of your role. Think of AI as your new, incredibly powerful assistant. The question isn't, will AI take my job? It's, how can I leverage AI to make my job more valuable, more impactful, and more secure? So, how do we navigate this AI tsunami without panic and future-proof our tech careers? Here are 6 actionable strategies. Embrace AI literacy and prompt engineering. What it means. You don't need to build the next large language model, but you must understand how AI tools work, their capabilities, and their limitations. Learn to write effective prompts to get the most out of AI assistants, like ChatGPT, Claude, or GitHub Copilot. This is the new operating system for many tasks. Action. Dedicate 15 to 30 minutes daily to experimenting with an AI tool relevant to your role. Try to solve a real-world problem with it. 2. Focus on human-centric skills the AI can't replicate. What it means. AI excels at logic and data, but struggles with nuance, empathy, creativity, ethical judgment, critical thinking, complex problem framing, and interpersonal communication. These soft skills are now more valuable than ever. Action. Actively seek out opportunities to lead, mentor, present, negotiate, and collaborate. Practice breaking down complex problems that AI can't simply solve with a prompt. 3. Become an AI orchestrator and validator. What it means. Your role shifts from just execution to defining problems, delegating appropriate tasks to AI, verifying its outputs. AI hallucinates and makes mistakes, and maintaining accountability for the final outcome. You become the conductor of the AI orchestra. Action. For tasks you currently do manually, identify how AI could assist. Then, practice reviewing and refining AI-generated results, becoming proficient at spotting errors and biases. 4. Deepen your domain expertise. What it means. AI is a general tool. Your deep understanding of a specific industry, for example, fintech, health tech, ed tech, or a specific problem space, for example, security, scalability, accessibility, makes you indispensable. AI can help with tasks, but it needs human expertise to apply it responsibly and strategically within a specific context. Action. Read industry reports, follow thought leaders in your niche, and actively participate in discussions related to your domain's unique challenges and future. 5. Build a T-shaped skill set. What it means. Develop deep expertise in one or two areas, the vertical bar of the T, and a broad understanding of related fields and new technologies, including AI, the horizontal bar. This makes you versatile and able to connect different concepts. Action. Pick one AI concept or tool relevant to your current deep skill and dedicate time to understanding how they intersect and can amplify each other. 6. Cultivate a growth mindset and embrace unlearning. What it means. The biggest barrier isn't AI, it's a fixed mindset. Be open to change, willing to adapt, and ready to unlearn old habits that AI can now automate. Don't wait for AI to force the change on you. Proactively embrace it. Action. Challenge yourself to approach one repetitive task differently this week, asking, how could AI help me do this better, faster, more accurately? When you apply these strategies, you're not just surviving, you're future-proofing your tech career. You're transforming yourself from a potential casualty of the AI tsunami into a skilled surfer riding the wave of innovation with confidence and purpose. This isn't about competing with machines, it's about collaborating with intelligence to unlock levels of productivity and creativity we could only dream of before. Your unique human capabilities, combined with the power of AI, will make you an indispensable asset in the tech world of tomorrow. So let's turn that fear into fuel. Let's embrace this incredible era of AI, not as a threat, but as the most exciting opportunity to redefine what it means to be a tech professional. If this video resonated with you, if it sparked a desire to take control of your career in the AI age, please hit that like button. It helps this message reach more amazing tech professionals like you. Comment below. What's one actionable step you're going to take this week to navigate the AI tsunami? Let's build a wave of positive action. And don't forget to share this video with anyone in your network who's feeling the AI pressure. Finally, subscribe for more powerful mindset shifts and strategies that will help you not just survive, but truly thrive in the dynamic world of tech. The future belongs to the prepared, the adaptable, and the relentless learners.